diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with a cute little haul from DPClubs. So I've got 3 canvases and one little item to show you. So I'm going to start out with a little item because these are so cute, you guys. There's a whole series of these, and I think I'm going to collect them. But it is this cute little, these little Christmassy Coverminders. Look. It's a little Christmas tree with a Santa hat. How cute is that? And they're just little magnets with Coverminders. I never used to use Coverminders really because I use my release papers, but I've discovered that for a lot of my smaller kits, I will use the Coverminders instead of using release papers so that I save my release papers for my big kits. But yeah, super cute. This was $1.99. So there's that. Then I'm going to put these 2 canvases aside. I'll start with this one since you guys can already kind of see it. This is a partial, but after this year and so many big projects, I decided I wanted to buy some smaller ones so that I could work on some smaller things. And I saw this one and I thought it was cute. So canvas is a bit stiff. Let me get it rolled the opposite way here. Okay, got that rolled up. So we get our standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. There are a couple of baggies in there. Again, it is a special kit, as you can see. And look at this cute little butterfly, you guys. Butterflies are always popular. I really liked that it was like this little moon and everything. The canvas is a bit stiff, so I need to lay it out, but it's a 30 by 30. So let's measure and see what it measures. It is 24 by, I'm going to guess 24. Yes, 24 by 24. We do get DMC. They're not really DMC. They're the crystal codes, but they are on here. We do get the special drill codes as well. So we've got 3 special drills in here. Yeah, and it's a partial, so it's going to be, it's nice and sticky where you need it to be. And yeah, I just thought it was really cute. Okay, let's look at our drills and get into them here. So we've got 15 different drills, and 3 of those are special drills. The rest of them are rhinestones. So let's see what colors we get here. So we get black. We get this very pretty kind of antique orange, some pale turquoise, some blue, some kind of old gold, antique gold. Ooh, some very like pale pink, yellow, a berry pink, like a rosy pink. Then we get a lavender, a green, a blue, and then we get our special drills. So we've got a kind of a small round yellow. We've got teardrop shaped pale pink. Those are pretty. I've not seen those before. And then the same size teardrop in that kind of antique gold color. So yeah, I just thought this one would be really pretty, quick, simple, but pretty. And this one is $5.79. And as usual, I will put links in the description box down below so that you can check these out. Okay, so there's our butterfly. And let me grab the next one. And, oops, let me make sure I'm not cutting anything important here. I'm always so afraid I'm going to do that I'm going to be cutting through something and I'm going to accidentally cut the canvas or something. I haven't yet, but I live in fear of it. Okay, this one is a stiff canvas too. Oh, let me get it going here. There's a couple of puckers where the cover sheet isn't completely stuck down to the canvas. Okay, standard kit again, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. This is a round kit, as you can see. And look at this cutie pie. This is just some really cute kind of pink colorful flowers. There's like a little wormy guy here, a ladybug. I just thought this was really cute. Bugs are not usually my thing, but I thought this one was cute. White background, but it does have the eyes. So I'm okay with that. We've got 22 colors, and we do have the DMC code, so that's good. Now this is a 30 by 40, so let's measure. It is almost 25 by 35. So 25 by 35. Trying to look here at the codes and see if I think there's anything that's going to give me trouble. Even kind of down here in the worm where there's quite a bit of confetti, it looks like all the symbols are nice and clear. All the ones over here, I don't see anything in the pinks that I think will give me issues. And that's probably the biggest colors is the pinks. So it is nice and sticky where you need it to be. There is some confetti, like I said, in the worm and the flowers, but I mean, that's to be expected. There's actually quite a bit of confetti up here too. But then you got that balanced out with all the multi-placing that you'll do in the background. So let's look at our drills here. Guys, there's no black in this kit. That's kind of crazy. Okay, let's look at our colors here. Find the end here. Okay, so 22 colors, like I said. So we've got red, we've got like a olive green, and then we've got loads of pink. We've got 4 different shades of pink. So a dark pink, a berry pink, kind of that bubblegum pink, and then just a regular pink. And then we've got an orange and a bright yellow. We've got a green and a light green. I don't see very many dimples on these drills either, so that looks good. A very pale gray, kind of a slate gray. Ooh, a very dark hunter green, kind of a mustardy tan color. A sage green, a very pale yellow. And then we've got this berry color, another pink, and then a very pale, it's like a pinkish purple. And then a very bright green. And then we have a yellow and 4 bags of white for the background. So not a surprise that there are that many bags of white for the background. Let me see how this all goes back together so I can get it back in the kit. And this one is $4.63. So not a bad price. It's a 30 by 40 and 22 colors. That's actually quite a few colors for this kit. And I just thought the little bugs were cute, which again, I'm not really into bugs, so if I think they're cute, they're pretty cute. Okay, and the last one here, this one, little nod to the season here. I wasn't sure when these would show up, so I'm glad this got here when it did, so I have time to, well, I don't know if I'll work on it this year, but if not, then I've got it for next year. Okay, so standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And we've got our drills here. And look at this cute little thing. It's just these cute little silver bells, which I thought was appropriate. And I love the silver and blue combination. I've seen a lot of these, but they're usually like red and gold. And while I like those colors, something about the silver and blue is really appealing. So yeah, this is a 30 by 30. Let's measure. It is, there's a bit of a pucker right there. So 25, I'm going to say, by 25. 15 colors. We do have the DMC codes. I'm going to try and fix that pucker really quick right there so I can get it to lay a little bit flatter. Just, you know, sometimes when they're rolling it up, somehow the cover sheet pulls away from the actual canvas a little bit. It's like it's not touching. Nothing wrong with the canvas, just it doesn't want to lay flat then for some reason, because it's got that little bit of air trapped underneath it, like I just did right there. So let me fix that. Okay, there. Now it lays a little bit flatter. It's nice and sticky. Now it does have J's as the symbol for this white background, which is not my favorite, but that's okay. And actually for me, I might cut this down on 3 sides just so I didn't have to do quite as much white. It wouldn't be square then, but that's okay. Okay, and I don't see anything. I mean, there's obviously quite a bit of confetti in the background, but I don't see any symbols that look like they would give me issues. No D's with O's and all that kind of stuff. Looks pretty good. Okay, so let's look at the drills. Okay. So we're going to have lots of blues and grays, obviously. So we've got like this very kind of slate gray, a light gray, a darker gray, a very pale gray, and then we'll get into some blues, like a regular blue, a light blue, like a royal blue, and then these are kind of greenish grays. It's gray, but it's like got like a green undertone. That's like a very light pale green, a gray, a very dark blue, like a very true blue, another dark blue, another slate gray, and then we've got 3 bags of white for our background, obviously. So yeah, another, like I said, just thought it was cute for the season and wanted something that was not the traditional kind of yellow gold or red and green Christmas ones. So I really like these silver bells. I thought they were pretty. Little elegant with the blue and silver, kind of that color scheme. Okay, and this one was $5.39. So we've got our really pretty elegant silver bells here. We've got our very cutesy kind of flowers with the little wiggle worm and the ladybug. Gosh, I couldn't think of what it was called there for a minute. Let me scoot these over a little bit. And then we have our cute partial butterfly over here. And then let's not forget our little cute little Christmas cover tree minder. I will put links in the description box below for all of these items so you guys can check them out for yourself and anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video, you guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.